Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How's it going? Have you ever had one of those mini heart attack moments? You pop in your earbuds, excitedly hit play on a song or answer an important call and wait, what? Why is there only sound coming from one side? That lopsided, one-ear deaf experience is enough to drive anyone crazy in seconds. I bet most of your first reactions are, crap, it's broken again, time to spend money. Hold up. Before you hand your cash over to Tim Cook or whoever, we might actually be able to save them. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix this annoying issue. Make sure to hit that like button and save this video. When it happens to you, this is going to be your ultimate money-saving guide. First things first, we need to figure out if your earbuds are dead or if your phone is just acting up. The easiest way is to connect your earbuds to another phone or a laptop. If both sides work perfectly on the new device, congrats, your earbuds are fine. The issue is with your original phone settings or Bluetooth. But if it's still playing on just one side, then yep, it's definitely an earbud or cable problem. Oh, and if you're using wired earbuds, try wiggling the plug around while music is playing. If the dead side suddenly stutters back to life, you're probably looking at a bad connection or a frayed wire near the plug. Since we know it's the earbuds, let's try some super easy, no-brainer fixes. Honestly, 80% of people will solve their problem right here. Trick number 1, do some cleaning. You might not believe it, but the biggest culprit for a silent earbud is often earwax and dust. Take a close look at the mesh of the dead earbud. Is it clogged with gunk? Grab a soft brush, a dry cotton swab, or a toothpick and carefully scrape it out. For a deeper clean, use a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol on the swab, but absolutely do not let any liquid drip inside. Trick number 2, check your phone settings. Sometimes we just accidentally mess up the audio balance on our phones. Dig into your phone or PC's sound or accessibility settings, find the left/right balance slider, and make sure it's sitting right in the dead center. Trick number 3, the audio source. Sometimes it's not a hardware issue at all. The specific song or video you're playing might just be in mono. Switch to a different app or play a random song just to be sure you're not being fooled by the track itself. If you're using wireless earbuds and the previous tricks didn't work, there's a good chance your Bluetooth connection just lost its mind. Trick number 1, the classic repair. Go into your phone's Bluetooth list and forget or unpair the earbuds. Pop them back into the charging case, close the lid, and wait about 10 seconds. Then take them out and pair them like they're brand new. This fixes the issue a lot of the time. Trick number 2, update the firmware. Nowadays, most earbuds come with their own apps. Sometimes manufacturers release bug fixes, so open the app and see if there's a firmware update available. Give it a try. Trick number 3, factory reset, the ultimate move. Put the earbuds back in the case and long press the button on the case, or hold down the touch sensors on both earbuds for about 10 seconds. Check your manual for the exact gesture. This completely wipes the earbud's memory and is super effective for fixing pairing issues and one-sided audio. If you've exhausted all the tricks above and it's still playing deaf, then my friend, it's time to face reality. They might actually be broken. If they're wired, check if the cable got slammed in a door or chewed by your cat. If they're wireless, the little internal speaker, the driver, might have just given up the ghost. While there are hardcore teardown tutorials online, I highly recommend not messing with it yourself. Once you crack them open, they rarely go back together, and they'll be completely ruined. If your earbuds have truly reached the end of their life, or if they were already beat up and due for a replacement, well, consider this the perfect excuse for an upgrade. If you're in the market for new earbuds right now, I genuinely recommend checking out the Soundcore Liberty 5 Pro. Earbud tech is insanely competitive right now, but this pair is an absolute beast. The crazy part is its noise cancellation and call quality. Powered by an exclusive AI chip and 10 sensors, it actually holds a Guinness World Record for ultra-clear calls. Plus, once its adaptive ANC 4.0 kicks in, the world just goes instantly quiet. The sound quality is insane too. It's rocking 9.2mm wool-paper diaphragm drivers, supports LDAC Hi-Res audio, and even uses AI to customize the sound perfectly to your ears. The richness and detail when listening to music will absolutely crush those old relics you bought a few years ago. But the wildest part to me is the smart charging case with a built-in touchscreen, alongside a massive 50 hours of total battery life. Seriously, if you're looking to swap your earbuds, grab these. It's an absolute game changer across the board. To wrap it up, if one earbud goes silent, don't toss them out right away. Give them a clean, check your settings, or reset the Bluetooth, and there's a huge chance you can bring them back to life. If any of these tips resurrected your earbuds today, drop a revived in the comments so we can celebrate. And if they're truly a lost cause, let me know down below what new pair you're planning to get. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, hit subscribe, and share it with that one unlucky friend who's always complaining about their broken earbuds. See you in the next one. Peace out.